The laptop killer is finally here. If you were thinking about buying an M5 iPad Pro or a high-end MacBook this year, you need to stop everything and watch this video first. We have just received the most authentic, exclusive leaks regarding the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, and it's officially aiming for the throne. Samsung is finally doing what we've been begging for. They're killing the notch, moving to a grade 5 titanium chassis, and packing an unbelievable 24GB of RAM into what is now the most powerful Android tablet ever built. Welcome back to TechVibe, your go-to destination for the future of technology. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 benchmarks of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, the revolutionary neural DeX system, and a new Tandem OLED display that is so bright it makes the competition look like a budget device. Stick around until the end because we're breaking down the official US pricing and the hidden features Samsung hasn't mentioned yet. Let's start with the design because this is the biggest shift we've seen in years. For the last few generations, the Ultra series has been plagued by that small notch for the front-facing cameras. But for the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, the notch is gone. Samsung has finally perfected its under-display camera technology for the tablet form factor. This means you're getting a pure 14.6-inch unobstructed view, and it's not just about the look. It's about the build. Samsung is following the S26 Ultra's lead by using grade 5 titanium. This makes the S12 Ultra significantly lighter than the S11 Ultra, which is a massive win for anyone who uses this device on the go. It feels more like a premium piece of jewelry than a piece of tech. Yet it's tougher than ever, but the real magic is in the glass. We're looking at a new generation of Tandem OLED technology. If you thought the previous displays were good, this is on another level. We are talking about a peak brightness of 2800 nits. To put that in perspective, you could use this tablet in the middle of a dessert at high noon and still see every detail of your 4K edit. The Tandem OLED structure also means the panel is more durable and less prone to burn-in, doubling the lifespan of the display compared to traditional OLEDs. For creators and professionals in the US and Europe who demand color accuracy, this 10-bit panel covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, making it the ultimate canvas. Now, let's talk about the engine under the hood. While the S11 Ultra experimented with MediaTek, the S12 Ultra is returning to its roots with a custom-binned Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 globally. This isn't just a mobile chip, it's a desktop-class monster. Early leaks suggest a multi-core score that actually rivals the Apple M5 Silicon. But here is the kicker: Samsung is pairing this with up to 24GB of LPDDR6 RAM. Why do you need 24 gigs of RAM on a tablet? 2 words, Hyper-DX. Samsung is evolving DeX mode into something called neural DeX. This isn't just a desktop UI, it's a full-on integrated operating system with neural DeX. The tablet can run full Linux containers and windowed Windows applications via a new partnership with Microsoft. You can now run a full version of Premiere Pro or heavy coding environments without the device breaking a sweat. It uses that massive RAM overhead to keep dozens of live apps in the background, so you never see a loading screen. This is the moment the tablet officially becomes a laptop replacement. Speaking of AI, Galaxy AI 3.0 is baked into every corner of this device. The new S Pen Pro 3 features something called Vision AI. You can point the S Pen at anything on your screen, a graph, a foreign language, or a complex math equation, and the onboard NPU will analyze and solve it in real time, without needing an internet connection. The S Pen itself has been redesigned with a 1.8 millisecond latency, and for the first time, haptic feedback. It now vibrates subtly to mimic the feel of different textures, like a pencil on paper or a brush on canvas. It's the most tactile drawing experience ever put on a digital screen. Battery life has always been a concern for these massive Ultra tablets, but Samsung is finally addressing the elephant in the room. We're looking at a 12,000 mAh stacked battery that uses electric VHIC technology to fit more capacity into a thinner frame. But the real headline is the charging speed. The S12 Ultra is rumored to finally jump to 80-watt fast charging. You'll be able to go from 0 to 50% in just about 20 minutes. For a device this size, that is a game changer for digital nomads and power users. Let's talk money and availability because this is where it gets real. Given the move to titanium and the massive RAM increase, we are expecting a slight price hike. In the US, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to start at $1,299 for the 256GB model, with the 24GB RAM, 1TB storage variant pushing closer to $1,800. We expect the official announcement at a Galaxy Unpacked event in late August 2026. With devices hitting shelves by early September. Is it worth the wait? If you are a professional who needs the most powerful portable workstation on the planet, the answer is a resounding yes. Samsung isn't just making a tablet anymore, they're building the future of computing. The combination of the no-notch Tandem OLED, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, and the sheer power of neural decks puts this in a league of its own. Thanks for tuning into TechVibe. We want to hear from you. Are you finally ready to ditch your laptop for the S12 Ultra, or is the notch less design enough to make you switch from Apple? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe with notifications turned on so you never miss the latest in the world of high-end tech. We'll see you in the next one. Stay ahead of the curve.